First at 6 o'clock, the Veterans Administration plans to close down the Muskogee VA Hospital. Thank you for joining us. I'm Lori Fulbright.
And I'm Craig Day. It's going to happen after a replacement clinic is built and part of the work moved to Tulsa. News on 6's Emery Bryan is live downtown with more details. Emery?
Well, a new Veterans Hospital is planned here in downtown Tulsa, and because of that, the Veterans Administration thinks that services in Muskogee should be downsized and even more services built out here in Tulsa.
It's going to be economically devastating for Muskogee.
Muskogee's mayor could hardly believe it and plans to fight it. The Veterans Administration wants to close the hospital here and move most of the services to Tulsa. It's not immediate and it's just a recommendation, but Mayor Coleman believes it would hurt the town and veterans.
All we're going to have is a clinic, which is a much scaled down version of the existing hospital services that we have.
The recommendation comes in part because of the new hospital planned in downtown Tulsa. The report says in addition to that, the VA should build 2 other new facilities in Tulsa, a new clinic in Muskogee, then close the Muskogee Hospital. The reasons include a population shift towards Tulsa, a decline in services offered at Muskogee, trouble recruiting staff there, and the estimated $68 million cost of modernizing the existing hospital. Here in Muskogee, the expectation was that any services lost to Tulsa would be more than offset by the expansion of mental health care here. But the VA plan has those services moved outside the VA system to community providers until a new, still undetermined second phase of the hospital in Tulsa is completed.
The deal evaporated. We were told that we would increase services for psychological trauma, services for PTSD, service for mental health and wellness. All of that was going to be unique to Oklahoma by having those services here.
Now, the congressional delegation also opposes this recommendation from the VA. The Veterans Administration predicts that the need for services in Muskogee will continue to decline over the next 20 years, so it won't need the full-service Veterans Hospital that it has now. Reporting live in downtown Tulsa, Emery Bryan, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.